Afternoon guys, so here we have it again, another new product. We've got the LED daytime running lights. So Lewis is now going to show us how to install these. He's just taking the bumper off. So obviously we think this is possible without the bumper off. If you take these 4 screws off the top, which we'll show you in a minute, and just pull the bumper forward. But we'll get set up and we'll be back to you in a minute. So first of all, what we need to do is release these nuts here. So obviously an 8mm underneath, and obviously unscrew those. So obviously that takes that bit off. There's also another one here, and then we'll just get up a bit. Obviously another one there, and another one there. Once that comes forward, then we should be able to pull this forward, but we will see in a minute when we get that far. So guys, we've got all them 4 bolts out now. We're hoping this is going to unclip and just give us enough access. You can see here there's some little tabs that need just pressing back. So obviously once that's off, there you go. So that just gives you enough access to do the job. Obviously if you want to take the full bumper off, that's entirely up to you. You can then obviously take it inside and work on it, but you can get to all the relevant bolts from just pulling it forward like that. So guys, bumpers off. Obviously we've got this new box, so this is what's going to come in the box. 2 of those, 2 resistors, etc. So take a good look at that. You can see there's 1 clamp on the bottom, 2 on the top, so it's pretty self-explanatory really. So as you can see there on the original one, obviously it's upside down. You've got two screws on the top and 1 on the bottom there, which is now accessible down there. So obviously we'll take these out and then we'll go from there. So guys, so we've got one out, so there's the original unit. So what you're going to do is you're going to remove the indicator bulb, like so. And then what that does is you take that bulb out there and you plug the old bulb, the new bulb holder, back in there. And then obviously that slots. Get that the right way around. That locks into there. So obviously now you've moved the bulb holder, so that is your original plug there, just to plug it back in. So we'll carry on, we'll do the other side and we'll come back to you again in a minute. So guys, as you can see there, we've got the non-aero kit on this one, so obviously new units there. It's going to slot in down there, you can see where it goes. Now obviously on a non-aero kit, we'll show you here, there's basically 2 holes there. So on the non-aero kit that'll go on perfectly. If you've got the aero kit, you're going to use this hole here, and also you're going to have to cut off that section there, as it'll foul the bottle and bumper. So just so you know, on the aero kit this bit does need to be removed. So guys, there you can see, I'll just come round there. So all 3 screws in there, as you can see, 1 at the bottom, 2 at the top. So obviously original bulb wire there plugs back into that. This is the daytime running light. So obviously you've got the big resistor there. Now obviously these get really hot, so obviously don't mount it to anything plastic, and do find a suitable place for that. What we're going to do is we're just going to mount them just inside there on the metalwork, so that won't cause any issues with heat or anything. So there you go guys, we'll carry on and we'll come back to you in a minute. Okay guys, so there you can see, absolutely, I won't say it, but stunning. So you can see there, so you've seen how they've been fitted. So obviously when the lights are left on, Lauren will lock and unlock the car now, you can see. So obviously with the indicators we have and then they come back on. So obviously the white dims down to show the indicator. Obviously when you unlock the car they'll come on anyway. Obviously lock the car again, Lauren. But as you can see there, they do look amazing. Like I say, if you come down, they're really bright. These are the clear versions, so we do these in clear and black. Both available on our website, www.kilochrome.co.uk. Have a look on there, there's plenty of installation videos and stuff for other stuff, so enjoy watching guys. See you soon.
I look at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way. And then I think about myself and I stayed. I'm a pretty boss, look on my shit bright ways. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you back. Ooh. girl that they don't talk about. Quiet with a big mouth, listen for the doubt, then call it. Make you out for what you say to me. Look at every single date. If you got what I need, then oh, I'll take you on like a big deal. Legs you can unfeel, key in ignition. Just keep me full like I had a meal once in